Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to fix Apple Health not counting steps. If your health application has stopped counting your steps, I have two main solutions for you. The most common fix will be, first of all, to check motion and fitness settings. On your device, let's open Settings application and let's scroll to Privacy and Security, and here you want to scroll until you find Motion and Fitness, and please make sure that fitness tracking is toggled on. Now, even if fitness tracking is on, then specific system service might be blocked. So let's go back to Privacy and Security, and here at the top of this page you want to go to Location Services, and now at the bottom side of page, tap System Services, and please make sure that Motion Calibration and Distance are enabled. After changing this, you have to restart your iPhone for sensors to recalibrate, and I hope that when you checked those two settings, your Apple application should now count steps as usual. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.